An airbrush is quite a tricky product. If you're looking to do fine artwork, then buy one from our list. Number 1. Most popular. NEO-CN Gravity Feed Dual Action Airbrush. The NEO range of airbrushes for Iwata is designed for beginners on a budget. Like every other Iwata airbrush, it comes with a 5-year limited warranty. It is a very well-priced airbrush made with high-quality material. It is a very versatile airbrush. Check also the Iwata airbrush comparison chart if you want more info on the full range of NEO airbrushes. 0.35mm needle and nozzle combination for finer detail spraying and medium-sized spray patterns. Includes interchangeable large and medium cups designed with a funnel shape. Number 2. Badger Airbrush Company. Model 105 Patriot Fine Gravity Airbrush. The Badger Patriot is also a good-priced high-quality airbrush. It's really one of my favorite airbrush kits. It has an easy-access needle removal system that makes it easy to clean and disassemble. The Patriot is the ideal airbrush for beginners, but it will also suit more advanced users. Also a very versatile airbrush that will suit projects with high coverage, but also more work on fine details. Easy maintenance self-centering nozzle design, acute tapered color well for faster cleaning, maximum angle trigger clearance and stroke. Number 3. Iwata-Medea Eclipse HPCS Dual Action Airbrush. The Iwata-Medea Eclipse HPCS is a gravity feed airbrush. It comes with a 5 years warranty against manufacturing defects. It has a rather large 1/3 ounces cup size and a 0.35mm needle, a nozzle cap, and a drop-in self-centering nozzle combination. There is also the possibility to have an optional setup with 8.5mm configuration. Note that you will need to replace all parts. The cup itself has a new funnel shape that make it easier to clean. This is ideal for fine detail spraying, but also for medium-sized patterns. Number 4. Paasche Airbrush H100D Single Action Airbrush. The Paasche H100D Single Action Airbrush and Compressor package may be a relatively small kit, but what it lacks in inclusion more than makes up for it in quality. Containing a sturdy single-action airbrush, a mighty compressor that contains an auto shutoff function, and 7 cleaning brushes, this kit is the perfect size for anyone just starting out. The single-action brush is easy to wield and perfect for simple projects, and the compressor's auto shutoff function prevents overheating perfectly. The size of this setup is perfect for indoor use. Number 5. Master Airbrush Multi-Purpose Gravity Feed Dual Action Airbrush Kit. The lightweight airbrush fit with a 1/3 ounces gravity fluid cup is one versatile device, perfectly capable of taking on any type of project you throw at it, that, along with the near-silent compressor, make the process of airbrushing a breeze. This kit does require a bit of upkeep and the purchase of a few accessories like cleaning brushes and products, but the subtle sounds of the compressor and the sheer quality of the airbrush itself more than make up for it.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.